What's up, guys? I'm AO with AO&JO Photography and Video. I'm a wedding videographer, content creator, and DP based out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Godox MoveLink 2 M2. This is a wireless microphone system that's going to give you a lot better quality audio than using your on-camera audio of your professional camera or even your cell phone. Let's unbox it. Instruction manual comes with 2 dead cats. This is going to protect the microphone if you're shooting in high wind conditions. 3 USB-C to USB-A cables, 2 lapel mics, wrist strap, 3 Godox magnets, 3.5mm TRRS audio cable, 3.5 TRS audio cable. So this is the charging case. You got 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Got a power button, plus and minus to adjust the volume. You have the button here to pair it, USB-C to charge it individually. Got a clip back here to clip it to a pocket. You also can use this magnet to put it to your shirt. So on the transmitter, it has the USB-C charging as well, the pairing button. This has the power button, and then this has a mute button. It has a built-in microphone, and then right here you can plug in the lavalier mic. To tell the difference between the transmitter and the receiver, you're gonna flip it up, and the transmitter is gonna have the microphone on it, whereas the receiver is going to have the headphone jack to monitor the audio. So the case is going to have a USB-C charging on the side of it, charge all 3 units all at one time. So to turn the volume up, you just press the plus and it turns them both up at the same volume. So you go from -5 all the way up to +10. In order to change the volume of the microphones independently, you're just going to press this button one time and that's going to put you to A. So now I can go down or up on A to set my levels. And when you're doing audio, you typically want your levels to be at anywhere from -12 to -6 dB. Press it again, and now I can adjust B. Right now the microphone is recording. If I press the button on the side, it's actually going to mute the microphone, and it lets you know by this little symbol right here with the slash through it. So when I unmute it, that symbol goes away. If I want to mute it, that symbol comes back. So to mount the transmitter to yourself, you can clip it like this. You can clip it inside like that so you don't really see it. You can take the Godox magnet and put that underneath your shirt. And that holds it on. So you see a lot of people wearing the microphone systems like this, which I don't really like it because you can see it on your shirt. So if you're going to mount it like this, I would suggest putting this inside your shirt and then putting the clip right there. Now you can't see the microphone, and depending on where you put this magnet at, it really blends in to your outfit. The nice thing about this system is you can be 100 meters away from your camera and it's gonna jump to the best frequency so you don't lose connection. With a full charge, the transmitter can run for 10 hours and the receiver can run for 8 hours. So that should be more than enough time for a full day shoot. So we are back. Originally, I did a microphone test comparing the NTG3, which I have boomed overhead, the built-in microphone on the transmitter, and then also the lavalier mic plugged into the transmitter that comes with the system. I was comparing all 3 audios, but I figured out something. I had the receiver on mono, so I thought that because it was on mono, that it was gonna give me a mono track for each transmitter, but that's not how it works. If you want to adjust the right and the left channel independently, you actually have to have it in stereo mode on the receiver in order to split these tracks up and lower or raise one depending on the dB of the sound that was recorded. If you have it in stereo mode, the left channel is going to be A and the right channel will be B. If you're recording a podcast or a 2-person interview, you want to record it in stereo mode so you can adjust each track individually. So now let's compare the sound quality of the lavalier mic to the built-in microphone to booming the NTG3. For conditions where two people need to record at the same time, the dual channel system can handle it. In addition, it has mono and stereo mode to combine or separate the two audio tracks for better post-processing. For conditions where two people need to record at the same time, the dual channel system can handle it. In addition, it has mono and stereo mode to combine or separate the two audio tracks for better post-processing. For conditions where two people need to record at the same time, the dual channel system can handle it. In addition, it has mono and stereo mode to combine or separate the two audio tracks for better post-processing. For conditions where two people need to record at the same time, the dual channel system can handle it. In addition, it has mono and stereo mode to combine or separate the two audio tracks for better post-processing. The transmitters have built-in noise reduction, and if you press the pair button one time, it's going to enable it. Now let's test it out again with the noise reduction enabled. For conditions where two people need to record at the same time, the dual channel system can handle it. In addition, it has mono and stereo mode to combine or separate the two audio tracks for better post-processing. So who is this microphone system for? Yes, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles like some of the other microphone systems like this, but that can be a plus. It has just the right amount of buttons to make it super simple and easy for anybody to pick up and use. You turn it off and on, you can mute the mic, and turn the gain up or down, and also pair the system. That's really all the buttons you need for a system like this. So that can make it really simple and easy for anybody to pick up and use. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell to get notifications. And if you have any questions about this system, make sure you just drop a comment below and I'll get right back to you.